Our next property is which one there? Next property again I will show you there, that is ionization potential. Ionization potential is the energy required to take out the electron from the outermost shell. The amount of energy required to take out the electron from the outermost shell, or we can say isolated gaseous atom, that is called the ionization potential. So as all of you know, when you are moving across the period what happened there? Nuclear charge increases, means the tendency of element to hold the electron in the outermost shell becomes more and more. Due to that reason, so taking out of an electron will be more and more difficult. So when you are moving across the period, it means the ionization energy increases. As we all know, when you are moving down the group, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell increases. Due to that reason, they do not have the tendency to hold the electron more effectively in the outermost shell. So in that case, what happened there? The ionization potential when you are moving down the group decreases. So this is about the second property of the elements. Then comes to the third property, that is the electron affinity. Electron affinity is the property of an element to accept an electron. The energy released when an element or when an atom accepts an electron become a negatively charged ion there. So that energy will be called as our electron affinity. So as you will move towards across the period again there, what you have seen, the nuclear charge increases, the tendency of accepting an electron, means attracting an electron, becomes more and more. So due to that reason, what happened? Here electron affinity increases as you moving down the group, across the period there. When you are moving down the group in a periodic table, up to down, so what happened? The distance increases, so the nucleus doesn't have the tendency to attract the last electron effectively there. So due to that reason, what happened? The electron affinity decreases. Then comes to the fourth property, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity is that property. Suppose we have learned about the covalent bond. So in covalent bond, what you have seen there are the elements which are what they will do there? They will share their electrons. So here chlorine and hydrogen are sharing their electrons. Now due to this reason there, some of the elements have the tendency to attract the shared pair of electron towards their side. So that tendency will be termed as electronegativity. Electron affinity and electronegativity is a totally different phenomena there. Here only one electron is attracting towards themselves. Here the shared pair of electron will be attracted towards one side there in a chemical bond there. Here we are talking about a single element there. So those elements when we are moving across the period, the electronegativity again increases, same as that of electron affinity, and down the group again decreases because of there's two factors there. One is of which one there? Across the period nuclear charge, and down the group number of shells. Okay, then comes to about the metallic character. That is about the metallic character. Metallic character is what there? Metallic character is a thing, means an element have the tendency how easily it can lose the electron there. As easily it can lose the electron, more metallic nature it will show there. So this metallic character can be shown by the first group element, second group element, or mostly the 13th group element there. So this is about the metallic character. So when you are moving across the period, metallic character decreases since the tendency of losing an electron decreases. And when you are moving down the group, since they do not hold the electron more properly in the outermost shell, the losing of electron becomes more and more easier. So when you are moving down the group, the metallic character increases. Across the period it decreases, and down the group it increases. In the same way, the last property also is given as non-metallic character. Non-metallic character happens, what happens in the non-metallic character? This non-metallic character is just opposite to the metallic character. The tendency of accepting an electron towards itself. not losing that accepting. So when you are moving across the period, what you have seen, the tendency of accepting electron increases due to the nuclear charge increases. Okay, so non-metallic character increases when you are moving across the period, and down the group it decreases because the effectiveness of the nucleus becomes less and less. So this is all about our first chapter, students. Thank you and have a nice day.